This week in math, we've been doing 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication using partial product and a place value chart. So I'm going to walk us through both of those strategies that we've been practicing in class. I'm going to start with the place value chart. I'm looking at the number 73, and I'm going to ask myself, how many ones are in 73? There are 3 ones in 73. And what am I multiplying those ones by? I'm multiplying them by 6. So 3 ones times 6 would get me 18 ones. I can then draw that out into my place value chart, and I've talked in class about using tallies when we're drawing in a place value chart for multiplication, so you can quickly and easily see and regroup values of 10. So I'm going to draw 18 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. In my tens place, I have a 7. 7 tens times 6. That would get me 42 tens. So again, I'm going to use tallies so I can easily see groups of 10 that I'll be able to regroup. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, and now I have 42 tens. The next thing I'm going to do is see if I can do some regrouping. I can group values of 10 and move them over a place value. I'm going to start with our tens just because it's super crowded. So I know that 10 tens is the same as 100. So I'm taking this group of 10 tens, regrouping it. It's the same as 100. And like I've said in other videos, when we're talking about numbers in this way, I'll tell the kids to think about it like money. If you have 10 $10 bills, what is that the same as? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10 tens. So that's the same as 400. And then I have 2 tens left. I cannot regroup those and move those to the hundreds. They're not going to get smaller and move to the ones place. I'm going to do the exact same thing with my ones place. For every group of 10, I can regroup them. If you have 10 $1 bills, that's the same as a single $10 bill. I have a group of 10. 10 ones is the same as 110. And then I have 8. I cannot say that 8 ones is the same as 10. So left in my ones place, there's 8 ones. Left in my tens place, 1, 2, 3 tens. And then in my hundreds place, there are 4 hundreds. So using the place value chart, it shows me that 73 times 6 equals 438. That's one strategy. This is a really concrete strategy, and it's really good for students who don't understand how we got this number, and they can actually see how we got that number. The second way is partial product. So I know parents, we're used to saying, okay, 6 times 3, 6 times 7, all of that. And then if I have another digit, drop a 0, multiply again. We have not taught students how to do it that way. It leads to a bunch of errors, especially if they make a mistake with a multiplication error, or maybe when it's 2-digit by 2-digit, if they forget to drop a 0, the old school way that you and me and grandma, auntie, uncle might know how to do it. So we do it as a partial product. So I'm looking at my ones place. I have 3 ones, and I'm going to be multiplying that by 6. Or 3 times 6 is 18. Next, I'm going to go to the tens place. I have 7 tens. I'm going to multiply that by 6. 7/10 is just a funky way to say 70. So I have 70 times 6. Will give me 420. I've multiplied all of the place values by the 6. Now what I'm going to do with both of these products is add them together. And again, I have 73 times 6 is 438. Partial product, I got 438. Using the place value chart, I got 438.